Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a speech. Yes guys, it is possible to write a speech by using ChatGPT. So right now you can see I'm in the ChatGPT, and here if I search here anything, right? For example, if I ask ChatGPT to write a speech on human rights, and I will just hit the enter, and here it will write a proper speech, right? At least you will get these 60 or 70%. The 30% you can just change according to your creativity and according to your requirement, right? So you can see that it's right pretty good. You can see human rights are the basic rights, freedom which all humans are entitled, and that's pretty good points. So if you want a certain points, you can ask him to write certain points. You can ask him that write a speech on human, let me show you. Okay, that would be more easy. Write a speech on human rights in USA, right? For example, yeah, USA in 3000 words, or you can say right under 3000 words, and I will just hit the enter after completing it, right? So here let it just right here. So I didn't give any word limit, so you can see that it's wrote ChatGPT wrote a very long. So here I will just hit the enter. So guys, it have started writing it, and you can see that the as American we pride ourselves on our commitment to human rights, and it's perfectly regarding the perspective of Americans, right? If you compare this human right this speech and that speech, it is completely different, right? And here it would just complete under the 3000 words. So you can just give the command according to your requirement, and this is it. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.